Okay, I wanted to make a video just to show you how well the VertiBird actually works. 4D batteries, and here we go. I used to have one of these back in 71, 72, 1973. This literally feels brand new. Unbelievable 50-something years later. Hovers real nice. Back, forth, of course. Hover low. Feel a little more throttle. Reverse, of course. All right, try to show you how it looks right there. And there you go, guys. All right, thanks for watching the video.